morning guys. Leaving from Kolhapur now for Pune. My other friends already left in morning. I was staying back here at home. So I left Kolhapur now. The traffic is sort of more because of holidays. I'm hoping to get less traffic on highway. Let's see. So back on National Highway, traffic is a bit more because of Kolhapur MIDC here, which is nearby. So I need to be in flow after some time. But still it's around almost 90 and 100. Not heavy on road. बहुत ही कम ट्रैफिक लग रहा है. ये तो अभी कराट सिटी आई है इसलिए इतना लग रहा है, नहीं तो रोड्स आर लाइक एम्प्टी. यू कैन सी. Riders are on road. You can see this is a group from Karnataka. Either classic or Himalayan standard. This is the old one. So I have crossed Satara now. So around 110 to go. Satara is very famous for their kandi pedhe, which is a sweet. Also it is famous for Udayan Raje Bhosle, who is a Maharaj king. Finally getting into Gokarna here. This is Satara. They call it Khandala. So because of this tunnel and this road, the other side, which is the old road, became one way, and that helped a lot. Because these days traffic is too much. The old way we got too much long cart. Too many vehicles these days on road, so this was much needed. They've done it superb. I mean, while going towards Satara from Pune, it takes more time to climb the ghat, but while coming from Satara to Pune, this particular ghat is very small and you can easily cross it. The old ghat is you have to climb a lot, but they have broadened the road. This is the Pune city, my city. फाइनली पुणे में एंट्री हो गई है और ये पुणे का ट्रैफिक चालू। पुणे में अगर आप गाड़ी चला लोगे तो आप कहाँ पे भी गाड़ी चला लोगे। रीचिंग नवली ब्रिज नाउ, यहाँ से ब्रिज के नीचे से राइट लेना है आपको कातराज। यहाँ से भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो? लग रहा है आफ्टर 6 days I'll be home। आज तक पूरा टाइम रेस्ट करना है and फिर कल से काम चालू। Hey guys, so finally वापस आया हूँ पुणे आफ्टर 6 days and we end up doing 2100 kilometers. So it was from Pune, Mysore, Gokarna, Kolhapur, Pune. So बहुत ही मज़ा आया ये राइड करके। All thanks to Nachiket, Sagar, Ankush, Yogesh and all the Gatling gunners. आगे जाके बहुत राइड करने हैं इनके साथ। सो आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए। कोई कमेंट्स है, कोई सजेशंस है, देन डू कमेंट्स एंड आई विल वर्क ऑन दोज। थैंक यू सो मच।